I used to be a trucker. I loved the freedom of the open road and the feeling of power behind the wheel. But after years of driving, I realized that I was missing something. I felt unfulfilled, like there was something more I could be doing with my life. So, I decided to switch careers and become an IT professional. At first, it was exciting. I was learning new things every day, and I felt like I was finally using my brain in a way that mattered. But as time went on, I started to struggle. The work was challenging, and I wasn't used to sitting in front of a computer all day. I missed the physicality of driving a truck. One day, I came across Plato's story of the three parts of the soul. It was like a light bulb went off in my head. I realized that I was struggling because I was letting my spirited beast, my love of physicality and adventure, take control. But what I really needed to do was let my rational beast, my intelligence and wisdom, guide me. I started to focus more on my rational beast. I read books, asked for help from my coworkers, and took breaks when I needed to clear my head. Slowly but surely, I started to improve. My work became more efficient and effective, and I felt more in control. But then, the company I was working for went bankrupt. I was devastated. I had put so much time and effort into this new career, and now I was out of a job. For a while, I let my appetitive beast take control. I ate junk food, stopped exercising, and felt sorry for myself. But eventually, I realized that I needed to take control. I started applying for jobs again, and eventually landed a new position. It wasn't exactly what I wanted, but I knew that I could make it work. I kept focusing on my rational beast, and slowly but surely, I started to thrive once again. Plato's story of the three parts of the soul taught me an important lesson, that we all have different parts of ourselves, and that it's up to us to decide which one takes control. I know now that I need to listen to my rational beast if I want to succeed, and that I can overcome any challenge if I stay focused and determined.